Hello! It is that time of year that we must begin the registration process for next year's classes. Each year, students have the opportunity to select the classes they need to graduate, as well as select classes in their pathway of interest. Hope County High School's goal is to help students in their journey to become college, career, and life ready. In this presentation, you will receive information about graduation requirements, North Carolina career pathways, the Career and College Promise Program, the Sandhills Promise Program, and the registration process. While working on registering for your classes, we recommend that you seek help from your parents, teachers, and counselors. In order to graduate, students must meet the minimum high school graduation requirements for North Carolina public high schools, as well as the Hope County High School System's graduation requirements. These graduation requirements include 4 English credits, 4 math credits, 3 science credits, 4 social studies credits, 1 credit of health and PE, and then the remaining credits needed could consist of academic electives, fine art elective, JROTC electives, and CTE electives. Students must earn a total of 28 credits to graduate from Hope County High School. Please carefully review the high school graduation requirements list to ensure that you take all the required academic courses needed to graduate. Also, for those students interested in attending a 4-year university or college, 2 foreign language credits are required. The Career and Technical Education curriculum is one avenue that students can use to satisfy their elective course criteria. The CTE program at Hope High has grown extensively. It offers students numerous opportunities to explore various career pathways. What is CTE? CTE helps prepare students for the real world. The CTE program at Hope High offers 8 program areas: agricultural education, business, finance, and information technology education, career development, family and consumer science education, health science education, marketing and entrepreneurship education, technology, engineering, and design education, trade and industrial education. The following slides highlight the offerings in each program area. Agricultural education offers the following: business, finance, and information technology education offers the following: career development offers family and consumer science education offers the following: health science education offers the following: marketing and entrepreneurship education offers the following: technology, engineering, and design offers trade and industrial education has several career opportunities within their program. Students who take courses in the CTE program may also participate in career and technical student organizations such as FBLA, Business, DECA, Marketing, FFA, Agriculture, HOSA, Health, TSA, Technology, Skills USA, Trade and Industrial, FCCLA, Family Consumer Science. Students interested in enrolling in the SCC Continuing Ed classes must meet the following criteria: be 16 years of age, be a junior or senior, and meet the GPA criteria. Workforce Continuing Ed college classes have the opportunity to earn the credentials such as CMAA, Certified Medical Administrative Assistant, Electrical, Pharmacy Technician, and more. The High School and College Connection allows students at Hope High the opportunity to take college courses and/or certification programs while still in high school. Career and College Promise prepares eligible high school students for life after high school. That means college credit for some and career training for others. Regardless of a student's plan after high school, Career and College Promise provides focused preparation at no cost to the student. There are 3 pathways recognized within the Career and College Promise program. They include the college transfer pathway, in which high school junior or senior students can earn college transfer credits towards 32 to 35 hours of transferable college credits when you earn a C or better. Workforce continuing education pathway. Earn tuition-free course credits at a NC community college toward an entry-level job credential, certificate, or diploma in a technical career. Cooperative Innovative High Schools pathway. Educational opportunities for students in grades 9 through 12 with an emphasis on first-generation college students. It enables students to complete a high school diploma and 2 years of college credit in 4 to 5 years. The Sandhills Promise Program is a program established for Moore and Hope County residents who graduate from a public or private high school or registered homeschool. Having completed 4 dual enrollment courses at Sandhills will pay no tuition at the college for the 2 years immediately following their high school graduation. Eligible students are those who meet the following: resident of Moore or Hope County, high school graduate, public and private, or registered homeschool, who will attend SCC as degree-seeking curriculum student the fall semester following his or her high school graduation. Successfully completed at least 4 dual enrollment courses through the Career and College Program Promise at SCC with a GPA of 2.0 or better. Complete the FAFSA and SCC scholarship application process annually. Submit all necessary paperwork by the designated deadline. Mr. Brandon Locklear is the College and Career Scholarship Coordinator. He will be able to assist with all financial aid and scholarship-related questions, with applying to college, completing the FAFSA, and other aid information. NCAA Eligibility Center questions and help, NAIA eligibility, registering for ACT and SAT, and any questions related to military enlistment or ASVAB testing. In order to help you with the registration process, you will need your transcript, a paper registration form, the high school planning guide, and your PowerSchool account information. Use the paper registration form to plan your course selections. Each form is grade level specific and helps identify courses that you are eligible to take in that grade. Review your transcript carefully to make sure to select the correct courses needed. Use the high school planning guide to review course descriptions and prerequisites criteria needed. Once you have made your course selections on the paper registration form, you can log into PowerSchool and select your courses in your class registration account. We recommend that you register first for your core classes. Check your transcript to make sure you are on track with your core courses. For example, if you did not pass Math 1, you must retake Math 1 before moving on to Math 2. If you did not pass English 2, you must retake English 2 before moving on to English 3. Rising juniors and seniors, check your GPA to see if you qualify for College Promise programs. Follow the correct sequence in each subject area. Talk with your current teachers for their recommendations regarding honors and AP options. AP and honors classes are more challenging. They help students prepare for college and their career, and they may help students build a higher GPA/rank. After selecting your core academic courses, think about elective courses that pertain to your career interests or hobbies. Elective courses are important as well. Make sure you select 8 courses. Students have up to 12 elective options over 4 years. It is highly encouraged to complete a 4-course concentration in a CTE cluster. You can use the high school planning guide to read about course descriptions, sequencing, and how to be a CTE concentrator. The CTE website is also helpful in developing a 4-year plan. Please note that career management applies to all the career cluster categories. It is also highly recommended for our students to take. Elective categories available are career and technical ed courses, JRTC, world languages, which are foreign languages, performing and fine arts electives, academic electives, and physical education electives. Students who plan ahead and create a 4-year plan may be able to complete more than one concentration. Again, for those who plan on going to a 4-year university or college, remember that you need 2 foreign language credits. Don't forget to register for alternate courses. Students must register for alternate electives in case you do not get into your first choice electives. When you get your schedule in August, you will not be able to make schedule changes for courses you sign up for, including alternates. So again, choose your courses wisely. Choose courses based on your personal interests, post-secondary plans, readiness, and ability. Choose the most rigorous courses that you are ready for. Discuss it over with your parents, guardians, your current and past teachers, and your school counselor. Do not choose classes based on teachers or what your friends are taking. Please complete the paper registration form and return it to your first period teacher with your signature and parent signature. Once again, please complete the paper registration form and return it to your third period teacher, not first, with your signature and parent signature. Use your PowerSchool account information to log in to your course registration with your user name and your password. We have 2 demonstration videos to guide you on how to register in PowerSchool. Students, please complete the pre-registration form and turn it into your third block teacher by March 5th. Your third block teacher by March 5th. Also complete your online registration by March 5th. Complete your online registration by March 5th. If you have any questions or concerns that your teacher is not able to assist you with, please see your counselor for help. Thank you.